Career exploration is a process.
खुशबू, आपने अभी करियर एक्सप्लोरेशन ये एक वर्ड यूज किया. एक्चुअल में करियर एक्सप्लोरेशन होता क्या है? कैन यू जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इन अ बिट, एंड उसको कौन सी एज कैटेगरी में यूज करना होता है?
So, career exploration is a process जिससे a child can understand why does he have to pursue that career and what work is done in that career. And it is not just about understanding. You have to understand and experience. For example, let's say somebody wants to be a CA. Usually career counseling is the term that is used in our country. अब career counseling का end result है CA बनो और CPT की तैयारी करो, right? ये बिल्कुल गलत है, ये नहीं करना है. CA कोई career नहीं है. CA is the name of a degree. Career is the work that is done in that degree. For example, auditor, right? To understand as an auditor, what work are you going to do? Go talk to an auditor, go to their office. Once you understood and you like that, then experience the work done by an auditor, right? Take small little projects, use the help of ChatGPT if you feel it's too complex and you want a simple explanation and there's nobody to help you with it. So explore and experience, understand work done in it. If you like all of this, you spend 3 to 4 months doing all of this, and you can talk about what an auditor does and how to be an auditor, struggle of an auditor in first 5 years, because that's also very important, right? तुम्हें काम करना अच्छा लग सकता है, पर उसमें बेस्ट होने के लिए जो फर्स्ट 5 years का स्ट्रगल है, अगर वो नहीं पसंद और वो नहीं करना है, then it's tough. So make yourself aware of what's to come, and then make an informed career choice. And you also asked when to explore careers, right? अब करियर ये ऐसी चीज है कि आप प्रेशर में नहीं चूज कर सकते. ऐसा नहीं कि वेडिंग डेट पास में आ रही, कुछ ना कुछ लहंगा तो उठाना ही पड़ेगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, राइट? सो you should have at least 1 to 2 years with you to explore careers without any pressure. And ideally, it should start in 8th standard, so that by the time you're in 10th standard, you know what you want to do, why, and it's an informed career choice.